Hello again, it's Bruce from KLM Builders. Today I'd like to show you a fantastic finished basement we just completed for a customer. Some of the highlights are a professional workout room, a large full kitchen with stainless appliances, and a restaurant-style booth that anyone would die for. We used to have a solid wall where this was opened up, and it just opens the space up and makes the staircase brighter, much nicer. You can see here a large family room with big screen TV, LVT flooring throughout the whole basement. The benefits of an LVT floor are 100% waterproof. They have a built-in foam backing, which helps it to be a quieter floor and a warmer floor. They're not cold under feet. This basement was an English basement, which means you could have normal size windows in it to let in lots of natural daylight. We also installed a sound system in the basement that there's 6 speakers in the main family room and kitchen area, and also 2 more in the workout room. Right around the corner is the kitchen, full kitchen, and not a small one either, with a custom backsplash. It has all the amenities of a regular full kitchen: dishwasher, farmhouse sink, microwave, induction range, and a stainless steel counter depth French door refrigerator. We also added LED under cabinet lighting to this kitchen. Across from the kitchen, you have this fantastic custom-made restaurant-style booth, fully upholstered with barrel vault ceiling and storage cabinets behind the seating. There's also a dimmer that is in the booth to raise or adjust the lighting to their needs. Back here we have a full bathroom, a luxury bathroom with a port base, quartz tops, and porcelain 12 by 24 tile. Also back by the bathroom is a full laundry area with plenty of storage, cabinets above the washing machine and dryer. And across from the laundry area are built-in closets with ample shelving for much storage. Lastly is a professional workout room with heavy 3/8 rubber flooring, flat screen TV, sound system, and the size of it could fit an array of workout equipment. I hope you enjoyed the video of this beautiful finished basement. If you have any needs for a project, give me a shout.